Alright guys, what's up? Don't forget about the giveaway we have going on right now. We're giving away 5 shirts and you can get an entry in by commenting on my YouTube video. If you already commented on the last video, you can get another entry by commenting in this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, description down below, and also subscribe to the channel and send me a screenshot of it on Instagram. That would count as 2 entries. So don't forget to get some entries, guys. What's up guys, welcome back to Tuned Engines, and today we're going to be changing out all the lights in the 69 C10. Alright guys, so we're going to be changing out all the headlights, the turn signals in the front, the side markers, the back markers, and also the tail lights and the reverse lights. So these are our new tail light housings, our new side marker housings, front and back, some new light bulbs, new headlights, and also the new reverse lights. So you're going to be using a soldering iron, electrical tape, a screwdriver, extra wire, heat shrink, some pliers, wire strippers as well. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the side markers, and we have our friend Zapata helping us out take out everything. So while also changing the side markers, we're also going to change out the light bulb. So we're going to go ahead and take out the light bulb, and we bought these new 300 lumens 194 light bulbs, and that's the old one and the new one right there. Put the light bulb inside the housing, and then just make sure that the weather stripping is lined up so no water can get in there. So these holes are on the tail light. This is where a trim piece goes. We actually went ahead and bought the trim piece, but we're going to install it later. So next thing we're going to do is that we're going to switch out the headlights. If y'all remember, these are the same headlights that are in the white truck, the 71. And so the same, they have a daytime running light and also turn signal lights. We're going to have to go ahead and hook that up too. Alright guys, so there's different ways you can check if cables have current. The first one is like one of these like little screwdriver looking things. So you can go ahead and connect it to the negative side of your battery, and like you can put it on your positive, and if it lights up and you touch like any wire with it, like that means like it has current. So this is one way. The other way you can do is with the multimeter. So you're gonna go ahead and put your multimeter at 12 volts like that. Then you can get your testers or connectors, and you can come over here and do the same thing. Alright, then like you can see that it's working too. So yeah, there's different ways you can test the cables for current. Okay guys, so we went ahead and found like a wire we're gonna tap into. It's gonna be this red one right there, and we're gonna go ahead and tap into it for the daytime running lights. Okay guys, so we're gonna make sure that this cable has wire, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Alright guys, as you can see, like this cable gets power once we turn on the key. So that's a really good thing for the daytime running lights to turn on while we turn on the truck. Alright guys, so this is the wire that we're going to be tapping into to get the signal for the daytime running light. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and connect the wire for the daytime running light. So we're going to go ahead and strip it to get a new fresh piece. Then we're going to twist it. And then we're going to go ahead and connect it to the wire we found for the daytime running lights. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and run the cable to the passenger headlight and the driver headlight to get the signal. And we're also going to go ahead and put the cable neatly in so it's tucked away and doesn't get like torn or ripped up by anything. So right now guys, we're going to twist it so we know that this is where we're going to put one of the connectors for one of the headlights. And then we're going to run it across to the other side. We gotta get a game on. Alright guys, so we're gonna start taking off the headlight now. Alright guys, so this is the turn signal. The one on the side marker one actually. Since our headlights have also the turn signal integrated, we have to check which cable has the signal wire. So we're gonna go ahead and get our tester and check which cable it is. And we can see that it's the black wire that has the signal, guys. So now we can go ahead and tap into this wire for the signal. This time we are gonna put it down. It's time to show that we don't fall. Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me what I feel. Look into my eyes and tell me the way I feel. Tell me what I feel. Alright guys, well hopefully y'all like the video. Hopefully y'all like the lights we put in the truck. But don't forget about the giveaway we have going on right now. We're giving away 5 shirts and stickers to 5 winners. All you have to do is comment on this video. If you comment on this video as well, it will count as another entry And you have to, the only thing you can do is follow me on Instagram. And that'll count as an entry. Then like you can just send me a screenshot of you subscribing to my Instagram, and that'll count as 2 entries. So don't forget, guys, we still have this giveaway going on. So make sure to get some entries in so you can get one of these cool designs. Alright guys, well, back to the video. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you liked how the lights turned out. They look really cool. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like what you see. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.